Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, just welcome. My name is Tay and I'm the owner of Silk Obsession Extensions, where we specialize in custom and ready to wear glueless wigs. Whether you are new to wigs or a seasonal vet, I do have something new for you today, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. What is a virgin hair glueless wig? Virgin hair comes from a single donor. It is made with 100% human hair. It's not mixed with any synthetic parts. And it also means that it's not dyed or treated with any chemicals. It is steam processed, however, to achieve whatever texture you are looking for. For example, this hair is steam processed to a water wave texture. A glueless wig is designed to wear with no adhesive. Like, this is a frontal wig. This would not be a glueless wig because I do have this wig down. But a glueless wig would be like a closure wig, a 5x5, a 6x6 closure. It comes with an adjustable strap and it comes with combs, so that way your wig will be nice and secure. A proper glueless wig will come with your custom wig measurement, so that way you will have a fit specifically for you. Another benefit to wearing a glueless wig is the fact that you do not have to wear any adhesives, which makes it super convenient for those who want to switch up their look without having to have the hassle of any glues or anything like that. So how do you install a glueless wig? So a glueless wig is probably the easiest wig you will be able to install. You literally will just put the wig on. It's just that simple. All you have to do is adjust the straps and secure the combs in the back of the wig and you are good to go. There's no mess, there's no glue, so you don't have anything to worry about. Plus, it is super beginner friendly. As you can see, like I said, you just throw it on. Also, if you were looking for something to have a little bit more hold to it, you can add a lace foam or a melting spray holding hairspray or something along those lines. I do have a full tutorial breaking down how I like to do my glueless installs. I do not use Got2b in those videos, so make sure you go check them out. I will have them linked down below in the description. How long does a virgin hair wig last? So that really all depends. It depends on the quality of the hair, and it also depends on the upkeep and the maintenance of the hair, just like you would with your natural hair. So as long as you are washing your hair, trimming your hair, tying it up at night, you know, properly taking care and deep conditioning the hair, giving it the correct TLC, your wig should last years. Now, again, another key factor is making sure that these wigs are actually quality wigs. Now, there's a lot of different ways. I can do a very detailed video. Let me know down below if you want me to do a detailed video on how to test if your hair is quality hair or not. But it really just all depends on the integrity of the hair from the beginning, because if the hair is already giving you signs that it's not going to be good quality hair, that's just what it is. But if you have good quality hair and you actually maintain this hair, for example, this wig right here is actually 2 years old. And as you can see, the curls are still intact. It still looks good as new. The lace, it's not balding. I have no bald spots in this wig. I can still do styles across the whole frontal, so that is another factor. It really just all depends on the type of wig. You have to think of it like an investment. When you are spending all this money on these wigs, you need to make sure that you're maintaining your purchase. You need to be properly washing your wig. If you wear this wig frequently, you need to be washing the wig frequently and all these things like that. So I can't do a full video of how to know when to maintenance your wig. I do have a step-by-step guide on all the beginner steps of what to do with your wig. I will have that down below as well. So it's a lot of things that goes into wigs. It could seem a little bit intimidating at first, but again, think of when you are purchasing a virgin hair wig, it is human hair at the end of the day. So you want to make sure that you are treating the hair pretty much the same. If you don't take care of your hair, do not treat it the same. But if you take care of your hair, treat it the same as your hair. Can you style your virgin hair wig with heat? Girl, you better be styling that wig with heat. You didn't spend all that money just to be wearing it how it came, did you? That's crazy. Yes, you can, absolutely. Again, if your hair is quality, you shouldn't have any problems with the hair melting on your hot tool. That would be a key sign that there is synthetic fibers mixed in that hair. But yes, you can use hot tools. I do always recommend using a heat protectant when you are using hot tools, so that way you can protect your hair and you're not burning it, causing heat damage, because again, this is virgin hair, this is human hair, so you can cause heat damage and split ends and things like that in these wigs. You want to make sure that the hair stays healthy and shiny and you can maintain the integrity. I have applied heat to this hair before, and as you can see, my curls are still there, and these are actually how the curls look, not even defined, so they would be more if I actually went in and did it. You know what I'm saying? There are also other alternatives like using perm rods or flexi rods, other things like that, heatless style methods in styling your wigs in case you wanted to go that route. I do recommend, I wouldn't be putting heat on it 4, 5, 6 times a day. You know, style it one way. If you curl it, wear it till the curls drop, curl it again. If you are investing in proper high quality wigs, you don't have to worry about your curls dropping for long. So it's just a lot of things to look into when you are going into purchasing a glueless wig. How do I choose the right wig for me? Choosing the right wig can be overwhelming sometimes, but it really doesn't have to be. When it comes down to wearing wigs, think about your lifestyle. You want to think about your personal style, and basically how much time can you dedicate to maintaining that wig and maintaining the install per se. And if you're busy, for example, I would go with the more low maintenance option, a closure wig, a bob wig that's a closure wig, or just a straight body wave wig, because you won't have to worry about keeping up with the curl pattern or anything like that. You know, something a little bit more low maintenance. And don't be afraid to try new colors, new textures. Like, wigs should be fun. You should be wanting to experiment with different things and kind of stepping out your comfort zone a little bit, because you don't have to worry about the same damage as if you were to play around with your natural hair. Are glueless wigs secure, and will they fall off? Now, that is, I'm gonna speak for my business, my glueless wigs. No, you do not have to worry about your wig slipping off your head, falling off your head. If you have a true glueless wig that is a custom fit, that is custom made for you, or even just comes in different cap sizes that fit your exact head shape, you should not have to worry about this wig sliding off your head, you bending down to pick something off and it falling off your head. No, that's the whole purpose of a glueless wig. It's supposed to be a secure fit, even though you don't have adhesive on. But places like Amazon and Shein, all of those places, a lot of those wigs do not come with sizes. A lot of those wigs do not have a whole lot of options. They just have the adjustable straps. And those adjustable straps, if you have a small head, it doesn't matter how much you pull it, tug. It doesn't matter how much you pull and tug, it is not going to fit your head, okay? You are going to have that gaping. You are going to have that space in the back. With this wig, I don't have any gaping. I don't have any of that. If I bend my head over, it's not gonna fall off my head. I don't have anything to worry about. It's not gonna be flapping in the back. If the wind blows back, I don't have to worry about it showing all of that. It's black, you can't see nothing. So no, you do not have to worry about that with our glueless wigs, with Silk Obsession glueless wigs. No, most glueless wigs that are properly made, that are properly glueless, you should not have to worry about them falling off, slipping off, and anything like that. I think this is like a really big common misconception about glueless wigs, is that they will fall off, and no one wants a wig mishap. So I can completely understand how you can like put the two together when you think no adhesive, because wigs are so traditional to the fact that it's glued on, sewed on, something like that. But we are in a new era, we're in a new generation, and glueless wigs are secure. Another thing that I wanted to speak on is that when you use the lace foam melting spray or holding spray, that also provides a little bit more security for you, so that way you don't have to feel like your lace is actually sliding back on your hairline. When you use the lace spray or the holding spray, melt spray, whichever, lace mousse, whichever type of spray you want to use, then you will be good to go on that part too. It'll stay exactly where you put it throughout the day. The last and final question is, can I color my glueless wig? And the answer is yes, you can color your glueless wig. This hair can be colored depending on the quality of the hair and where it is. All just depends on the level that you can get the hair to before it is over processed. So like I said, quality is a big thing when it comes to wigs. It really just depends on quality, the vendor, where you're getting your hair from, what outcomes you can expect from your wig. But if you're not sure of exactly if your hair is good quality hair to achieve the color that you are looking for, I always recommend just taking your hair to a professional, having somebody else go ahead and do the color job for you, so that way you don't have to worry about messing up the hair. And at that point, make sure you know that the hairstylist is responsible for the integrity of the hair if they mess it up, okay? So make sure that they're doing a strand test and all of that, and they should know automatically, because if you know what you're doing, you know, then that hair is not good quality hair. So I always recommend going to a professional if you are not sure, because the integrity of the hair is the most important thing overall. If you mess the integrity of the hair up, if you over bleach that hair, if you burn that hair, whatever the case may be, you're gonna know, and it's gonna be done and over with. You can't go back once that hair is already messed up. It's gone, okay? And you also want to make sure that you're keeping the integrity up, because chemically burning the hair, over processing the hair and all of that can mess up the lifespan of the hair. So yeah, it may not seem like it's bad right now, but when you go to wash that wig again, or if you wore that wig for a whole week and now the whole back of your wig is matted up and now you can't brush it out, like there's a lot of different factors that go into place. So you just want to make sure that you are taking into account, if you don't know what you're doing, you don't know what you're doing. Spend that extra money or just don't get the color, okay? It's that simple. Now, I hope this video answered all of your initial questions on virgin hair and glueless wigs. And if you have any more questions, make sure that you drop them down below in the comments. I would love to hear anything else that you want to know from me, more videos that you want me to do, whether it's maintenance, styling, quality of the hair, anything like that, just let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so that way you're notified every time I upload another video and you don't miss out on any new tips and tricks and when I make community posts and everything like that. I try to keep you guys up to date. If you are ready to go ahead and elevate your wig game, I'm going to leave my website down below. We make custom wigs 100% ready to wear and glueless. You don't have to do nothing, child. They come pre-styled, knots bleached, hairline plucked, all of that. Full collection will be down below. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all for being here, and I will see you in the next one.